The most famous reindeer of all.
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It is really echoey in here. We just moved in. There is no furniture yet, but I do have a bunch of bags around me that I've been waiting to share with you all. This video is going to be a home decor haul. I've purchased a few things while we've been in that waiting period of moving into our house. I'm going to try and get through this fast. There's a lot of stuff here. My battery is not at full %, so fingers crossed we can get through this, and I can't wait to share with you what I found. So let's get into it. I'm currently sitting in Kenzie's room and we have so many plans for her. We are going to do a floral wallpaper on the back wall here, and I found the most beautiful, perfect curtains. And these are them. I hope you can tell. They are white curtains with a pink pom-pom detail. These were $19.99 from Homegoods. I'm just gonna start grabbing things, everything I see. This I got from the Target dollar spot. My plan is to put this on our front porch. We're gonna put like a patio chair out there, and then I thought this would look cute sitting on it. Next is some things from HobbyLobby. This is actually gonna go in our new entertainment center. It's actually getting put up right now, but this is gonna go in it, and it says, "Let's be homebodies." This was $17.99, but I got it 50% off at the time, so I thought that was a really good deal. I love the wood detail on this. I got this really pretty gold vase. I love the texture in this vase. It's really pretty. And then I got this stem to go with it. I really liked the color of this stem and how floppy it was. I liked the movement in it. This is also gonna go on my entertainment center, and I can't wait to show you guys how it all comes together. I'm really loving this light natural wood. I think this color is so pretty. This is gonna be a tray. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I know I'll find a place. I think this could be pretty on an entryway table, or maybe in our dining room, even on our entertainment center. There are so many possibilities with this one. I just looked in the viewfinder and I did not realize how washed out and white I look. I apologize. Wow. But anyways, this bowl right here is from HomeGoods. I love the detail in this. I think it's really pretty. As you can see, there's a trend going. I'm loving wood lately, and I never thought I would say that. I don't know how that happened or when it happened, but I've just been looking on Pinterest so much, and it really has caught my eye. This was $19.99. I think this would look really pretty on our kitchen island filled with lemons or tangerines. A fruit bowl, that would be really cute. Another HobbyLobby find. I got 6 of these. They are coasters. Look at the detail in them. Aren't they so fun? I think they're so pretty and unique. These were $5.99 a piece, but they were 50% off as well. So I picked up 6 of them, and these will go on our coffee table. I picked up quite a few of these bottle brush trees. I got different colors in them. I got some greens, some golds. These are from Michael's. I'm gonna put them throughout my house. You can get them at Michael's. These ones are $9.99 and you get 2. We've got some more HobbyLobby stuff. This frame really caught, the frame broke. Oh no, look. I don't know how that happened. Moving is so frustrating because things get broken and it's just a mess. I love this frame. I think it's really pretty. This will also go on our entertainment center. The entertainment center is so big, so there's a lot of shelves to fill. So I wanted to incorporate some pictures, make it feel like home. I also got this cute vase from HobbyLobby. This was $14.99, 50% off. I love the beaded texture in this. I am gonna put one of my new houseplants. I got a few different houseplants for my kitchen, so one of them will go in here. Picked up some Christmassy things. This is a giant doormat. So I like the layered doormat look lately, so this will go on the bottom, and then I got a new doormat that I'm gonna put on top of it. So I'll show you that one in just a sec. I picked up some kitchen towels. They're just white and red with the pom-pom detail at the end. And then there's a striped one on the back. These ones were $11.99. I got some pretty new dishware. These are gorgeous. I love the dotted detail on them. They were $6.99 a piece. I only got 2 of these. I thought these would be perfect for chips or dips when guests come over during the holidays. And then I got a bunch of these Ramekins. And I thought these were perfect for hummus. Give me all the dips. I just didn't have anything like this that was small enough to hold that for entertaining. I love making charcuterie boards, so these work perfect to kind of decorate it and make it look cute. I got this really pretty sign for Kenzie's broom. This was from Hobby Lobby. It says "Sweet Dreams, Little Love." This will probably go on one of these walls in here. I can't wait to put her room together. This is gonna be her Christmas present, her whole room makeover. So we're doing the wallpaper, her new bunk bed, which is what she's gonna be the most excited about. She won't care about any of the other things, but we are gonna make it look really cute in here. I really wanted a pretty picture in our bathroom and I found the perfect one. I love this picture. I think it's so gorgeous. This will probably go downstairs in our powder bathroom. I haven't completely decided yet, but I fell in love with this picture. It was $24.99, but half off. I got this really gorgeous cutting board. This I want to layer with other cutting boards in our kitchen. It is marble and wood. This was $12.99, which I thought was a great price. It has that gold stripe through the middle of it. And this is awesome. Again, if you wanted to make like a little charcuterie board, just if like a few of your friends were coming over, this is the perfect size. I picked up a new teapot because ours was getting really old and yucky. So this one is from Cost Plus World Market. I got it on their 20% off sale. I love how bright and fresh it looks. And of course, the gold detailing is what really sold me. I think it's so pretty, and yes, it is functional. My husband came downstairs just now and saw it and was like, does this thing even work? And I'm like, yes, it does, I promise. I read reviews on it and people loved it, so fingers crossed it works well. James loves to have tea, or if we're making ramen or whatever, these are good to have. This is a box I got and I loved. Again, the detail and the texture, that's what really gets me when I see things. I love using a lot of textures in my house. I feel like it really warms it up. And this box was from Homegoods. It was $12.99. I got a bigger box that looks exactly like this that will go under it. They're like stackable boxes, but I thought this would be a perfect box for remotes. So I think that's, can I get it open? Oh, there. So yeah, I think it would be a perfect remote box, maybe on our coffee table. So yes, love that. So I think that is all I'm gonna share with you. That went really fast. I feel like I sped through that, but my camera is flashing at me red, so I'm thinking it's about to die. So that is everything for today. If you aren't subscribed, I would love if you considered subscribing. It would mean so much to have you in this community. I am going to be sharing tons of new home content as we are in a new house, so there is lots to do. All right, I better get to work. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.